the Norman Manley International Airport, and I'm your host, Michaela Liana. Welcome to another episode of Pree Dis. This week it's all about music videos, events, health and lifestyle features, and so much more. Stay tuned because Pree Dis starts right now. Jerk, 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 and more jerk. From chicken to pork and lobster to rabbit, and of course all the excitement and fun. It all went down at the Portland Jerk Festival, and guess what? We have all the highlights, so check it out.
Now if we're talking body, you got a perfect one, so put it on me. Swear it won't take you long if you love me right. We fuck for life, on and on and on. Now if we're talking body.
What do you think of the Jerk Festival so far?
It's okay, it's cool, I think it's good. Yeah, I'm enjoying myself, as you can see.
What are you having to eat?
This is the jerk barbecue pork fried rice.
You know a Portland thing and we are Portlanders, so we have to support it. Yeah, eat some jerk chicken, drink 2 beer, and look at the kids them go and run up and down, you know?
You come to the Portland Jerk Festival every year?
Not really every year, maybe about 2 years past from when I reach. Yeah man, but we always come out still.
What brought you to the Jerk Festival today?
It has been the worst. It's the first time, but it has been the worst.
Tell me why.
Why? I have to spend more than an hour in the line buying my ticket, and then I have to spend like 2 hours to 3 hours getting the food. I'm exhausted.
Down here from New York, so figured I'd come by, eat some good food, spend a day in the sun listening to some music.
And what you had today?
I got a lot of sausage, a lot of pork. Yeah, man. No chicken for me today. Yeah.
What's your overall view on the event today?
It's good, man. It's good. I think we need more vendors, just more vendors. There's a lot of people here, everybody caught up at the back, it takes a real long time. More vendors, easier ticket lines for the drinks. The drink ticket lines are crazy, but you know, other than that, it's a nice day, what can I say? I got my food, so at the end of the day, I'm happy as long as I ate.
It's a perfect match because, you know, Lasco is a family brand. And so this is a family event, and so we thought it was a perfect synergy.
Your first year sponsoring, will you be back next year?
Definitely. I mean, it's great fun, the turnout is wonderful, the food is great, the entertainment is great, the rides are there for the kids. I mean, it's a wonderful day.
How you feel about winning today?
I feel glad, you know, happy that I win this trophy and the local money here, you know. Can help me out in the business more, you know, and the jump. So the jump gonna help me out a lot, because it's a very nice job, you know. So I thank the lovely lady here for letting me win the prize.
6 best dressed chicken jerkies, they enter the competition and they jerk their own chicken, right? Their own flavor, their own style, they add their own ingredients to it. And the winner was, of course, Adam Palmer here. He came out on top. His dish was delicious. The chicken was delicious. So, of course, you know, we're here rewarding him with these prizes.
What's the criteria on which they were judged?
Well, of course, taste, appearance, secret ingredients, and overall cleanliness.
Talk to me about the best dressed involvement here at the Portland Jerk Festival.
We love food, and of course, you cannot have a Portland or any jerk festival without chicken, without the best dressed chicken. So, of course, we had to be involved. We've been involved over years.
Portland Jerk Festival, how many years and how has it evolved?
This is 15 years, and the word evolve, it's funny you should say it, because this year we're looking on the evolution of jerk. This year was always to look on food quality and food safety. And there are some issues in producing that. I mean, that's one of the focus of this year. And I think we have gotten it right. But with that comes, you know, to manage the person's expectations and our patrons. For example, pork takes 6 hours to slow cook and to get ready. And you know, everybody wants to come. Most people here are coming here for the food. And so, you know, people are very anxious, but this year, we rather take all the time to cook the food properly and to serve it properly. Because as I said, food safety and quality is what it's all about this year. We bought every pig in Portland. There's no pig. We had pigs coming in from St. Elizabeth last night, you know, and we have to plan the logistics of that, you know, to keep it frozen, to kill it at the right time, to slaughter it, to prepare it, clean it at the right time, to deliver it to the venue. Now we can't, and part of the thing about food safety and quality is that you can't store it too long, and you can't cook it too quick. So the logistics behind doing all of that is a really big production, and people don't realize that this is probably the biggest food event in the Caribbean in any single one day. This year we have international chefs. Chef Judson is here from the United States. We have Lorraine Fong, Garfield Ferguson. These are all professional chefs who bring a lot of logistics management to the whole process.
Lots of health benefits from drinking cranberry juice. Let's check out this feature on True Juice Cranberry Juice.
The health benefits of cranberry juice include relief from urinary tract infection, respiratory disorders, kidney stones, cancer, and heart disease. It is also beneficial in preventing stomach disorders and diabetes, as well as gum diseases caused by dental plaque. Cranberries are a versatile fruit, and their benefits make them useful in food as well as in medicinal products. Cranberry juice is rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and salicylic acid. In terms of minerals, it contains calcium, magnesium, iron, phosphorus, sodium, potassium, and zinc. Make sure you stock up on your True Juice Cranberry Juice today.
Celebrity interviews and music videos are all coming up right after this short break.